We have with us Mr. Ankit Hirani. He is the business development head for Arun Muchala Group, and today he's going to tell us about the market sentiment first.
So the market at Boisar has become it started booming for a very long time now. If I happen to talk about Boisar 5 years back, I wouldn't have the same perspective as I do right now, because Boisar has become a district. So it has very good connectivity. You're directly connected from Dhanu to Churchgate in 1.5 hours, and initially you would have to change trains to get on to these locations, but now you don't. So I believe if we enter into any such market or any a new area which is developing, I think connectivity is a very important factor. And since connectivity, we have very good connectivity. That's a very important factor. Secondly, the location is situated close to a river. So water is in abundance. In fact, we were having issues with constructing because there was so much water, and the construction got delayed because of that. And we're also providing power substation within our project. So I think, considering all these factors, which is why we've chosen Boisar.
So thanks for telling us about Boisar. Now, can you tell me a little bit about the legacy of Arun Muchala Group, the number of projects that it has already developed, and the repute that it has earned for itself?
So Arun Muchala Group is a 41-year-old company. We are a diversified group. We are into the education business. We run schools, colleges in Gujarat and Mumbai. We have a famous water park called Suraj Water Park. It's won more than 6 Limca World Book of Records for the first man-made waterfall at Thane, Godbandhu Road, which is at a very strategic location. So again, when we started building at Thane as well, Thane was nothing at that time. But we could foresee something that Thane is going to evolve into something absolutely different and absolutely. Right now it's a very competitive market, and Thane is evolving into something huge right now. So our company is focusing on 4 industries. One is real estate, education. We also have our cinemas in Gujarat. So we are a diversified group, and we focus on various sectors. We've built more than 10,000 homes, more than 500 buildings in and around Maharashtra. So I think experience is something which we've got within our blood, and we're taking it forward from there.
Okay, and can you also kind of elucidate or tell us further on the new and upcoming project of the Arun Muchala Group, the one that you're promoting out here and the one on which the focus is right now?
Sure. So we are currently focusing on Sai Baba Boulevard, which is a 110-acre integrated township. As you can see, this is the aerial view of the project. So it is divided into 2 parts. One is the industrial area, which consists of 35 acres. So this is the 35-acre patch, what is only meant for dry industries. No heavy manufacturing, it's not going to happen over here. And then we are coming up with about 3,000 flats, which is this patch, which is our residential patch. We are also providing retail stores, because if a consumer is coming and staying in such a huge township, we want to give them every amenity and looking at every aspect for them. Various other builders, they also focus on giving swimming pools, giving spas, giving things which are very difficult to maintain, because we are targeting a different strata of people over here. So keeping all those factors in mind, we are not giving any such things. In fact, for them, it's more about celebration. It's more about celebrating their weddings, their birthdays, their any kind of activities that they're basically doing. So we have a lot of open space. That entire patch is an open space that is ideal for weddings and birthdays and any kind of celebration that they wish to do. And then there's also a fully equipped community hall, clubhouse, a college, school, nursing home, a temple. So you have everything over here. You wouldn't want to get out of this place for anything. And it is 4.5 hours away from the railway station. That makes it very important. Connectivity is very important. And 9 kilometers away from the national highway. And we're also providing shuttle bus services to and from the property to the railway station. So it's basically very convenient for the consumer to stay here. So I think we've looked at every aspect before getting into Boisar and developing and planning this property.
So how has the response been so far for this particular project? Are the initial buyers or the early buyers from Maharashtra, Mumbai, and these areas, or you are seeing the demand coming in from other places as well?
Oh, we've got a fabulous response, because firstly, they're low budget homes. ranging from 20 to 30 lakhs. And see, Boisar has more than 4,000 factories. It is an industrial hub. It is an industrial belt. The steel industry, the pharmaceutical industry, the textile industry. There are so many industries, so there are going to be so many people working over there. And today, if I build, a 30-floor tower over here and I start selling at 20,000, 30,000 rupees per square feet, no one's going to buy. But if I'm catering to that kind of people who need that kind of, units, I mean, I don't think I'm going to go wrong in any aspect. So I think it's a wonderful market. We've got a very good response, and we're doing really well. And yeah, we're looking forward to a very successful venture at the end. So yeah.
Thank you, Ankit. This is Dheeraj Ahuja from Expo TV for BoldReality.com.